This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about portion scoops, specifically the Comfy Grip number 20 2-ounce portion scoop with yellow handle. And it's got a lot of nice features. It's got a nice squeeze release handle, right? That's a little easier for some people than the thumb release. And it has a nice plastic coating on the outside of the handle for a better grip that's more comfortable and also color coded, right? The number 20 scoops are yellow handles, meaning that if you buy different sizes, they're going to come with different colored handles and they're going to be easy to identify, so you can always grab the one that you need quickly and efficiently, right? These are great for things like cookies, pastries, fillings, even doing stuff like making melon balls or just portion control. If you're looking to scoop out precise portions of things like sides, whether it's coleslaw, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, or veggies, these are a great tool to have in any kitchen, right? If you're using them for firmer items, say like ice cream, you want to make sure that it's not super solid and super frozen. You always want to make sure you're doing things like tempering items like ice cream before you're using a scoop like this to dish it. You want to make sure you're caring for them properly and using them properly so that they last a long time and serve you well, right? So these are great for restaurants, for catering, bakeries, or just use at home. That's up to you.